Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Android update on Vivo phones. So if you updated your Vivo phone and want to remove or downgrade the update, I'm going to show you some of the methods through this video. So the first one, you need to check if Vivo allows downgrading because it only applies to some models only. So Vivo doesn't officially allow rolling back system updates, but you can check it by going to the settings and find the system update, this one. And in here you can just look for an options like refer to previous versions. Here you can see there's no such thing on mine. So that means that my models of Vivo phones are not allow the rolling back system updates. So if available, you can just follow the instructions to downgrade. So if the option is not available, you can try the next methods that I'm going to tell you. The second one, you can uninstall updates for system apps. So if apps are buggy, for pre-install apps like maybe Play Store, Camera, or System UI, you can just go to the settings and find the apps settings, this one. And you can just select the apps such as maybe Google Play Services or System UI. Let's just search for the Google Play Services. Okay, this one. And then you can just tap on this three dots icon and tap on uninstall updates. And after that, you can just click on OK and restart your phone. Next, you can also just do factory reset to remove the software updates. And this will restore your Vivo phone to factory settings and removing the latest update. But you need to know that this will erase all data, so need to back up your phone first. So next, you can also manually install an older firmware versions, but this is for advanced user. If you want to downgrade to a previous Android version, you'll need to manually install an older Vivo firmware. And this will require a PC and technical knowledge. So you need to proceed with caution. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple video and tips will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on a thanks, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.